Yes, everything is okay. We are set. We have two security officers per polling station deployed by the security team. We also have 20 security officers in every tallying center. We have also deployed the GSU in various parts of Mombasa County to ensure that there is peace and our voters walk freely to the polling stations so that they can vote freely on 9th of August. So far, we have received all the materials, including all the ballot papers, and we are set for 9th 6 a.m. We always give priority to all the persons with disability. They are given a priority. They won't queue. They walk direct to the polling station and vote. Expectant mothers or nursing mothers, they are also given a priority. We also prioritize the candidates. They walk direct to the polling station when they want to vote. They vote and leave the stations.